I just added a new indicator to the AlgoSniper indicator suite. It's called the sniper bands. You are going to want to use this on the 30-minute time frame. You can use other time frames, but I trade this particular indicator on the 30-minute time frame. Now, exactly what this indicator is, it shows us the trend, whether we are in an uptrend or a downtrend. If we are in an uptrend, we are going to see specifically the bands green, this green band. If we are in a downtrend, we are going to see the bands red. If we are in a consolidating market, we are barely going to see the bands at all. Like you can see here, a consolidating market is when it just goes up and down, up and down, up and down until it finds its trend. When you're in an up and down or sideways trading choppy market, you will get messed up a lot of times. So wait for clear trends before entering in for the most part, unless you have another strategy to implement and use even during those times. In addition, the bands also, when they are changing or reversing momentum, direction, or trend, you will see the sell symbol, which is characterized by this red triangle. You will also see the opposite with a green triangle when there's a long entry or an uptrend beginning, most likely. So that is very important. When the price action is trading above the bands, it is likely that this trend is going to continue going up and that the price is going to continue going up. When the candlesticks break under the green bands and you see a red band and the candlesticks are trading under the bands, it's likely that a downtrend is going to continue. Keyword continue. Moving on, when you see the candlesticks start to break into the band, the green band, even the red line, the price is getting very weak and likely to reverse. This was a near reversal area. It did not take place, but the bands kept us in the trade here. You could have probably got faked out with a bunch of other indicators by not having this visual understanding of the trend. So very important to pay attention to. So when the price action, which is the candlesticks, begins to touch the green bands, it's showing you that the price is weakening. When the price action or the candlesticks start touching the red band, it's very likely, especially once it actually closes under the red band, that that trend is over with. You should probably consider taking profits from the previous long position and vice versa, taking profits from the short position when you see the candlestick close above the green band or the red band, vice versa. Very important to pay attention to. You can use this on all time frames, any time frame that you want, but I personally recommend using the 30-minute time frame. The bands are composed of two moving averages and an area between the moving average. The green band is going to be the fast moving average. The red band is the slow moving average. The way this works and the way the bands work is when the fast moving average crosses under the slow moving average, it shows a bearish momentum and a downtrend starting. And when the fast moving average crosses above the slow moving average, you will see uptrend starting there. As long as the price is above the moving averages, as long as the price is above the green bands, we are likely to continue heading up. And as long as the price action is under the red bands, it's likely we're going to continue heading down. Even though we can bounce into the bands, the trend is not over with until it closes above, usually that top line from the opposite direction. You want to close here, and this needs to close here for that trend to start. Look, we have a green band. The price action closes under the red line here, the red slow moving average, and then you have the downtrend, which starts here, and then you have the candlestick begin to close above here, and the trend begins to reverse and head to the upside there. You can go into the indicator and change the bands. You can change the fast length to different inputs that you want. Slow length, you can change the spacing. And if you go to the style area, you can change the specific symbol, where the symbols pop up, the bands, the length of the bands, all the different things that you can change. You can do so over in this area here, and you can access this area by clicking on AlgoSniper, and you click the settings here, and vice versa. You'll have access to all the indicators which you can manually add or take off visually on the chart. You can take off any indicator you want, add one, whatever you want. You can fully customize it at your own desire. I will be making more update videos for you guys soon with more strategies with the current indicators. I also have more indicators coming soon to you, so be prepared.